Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. I'm here for a Planner Society January kit unboxing, and right here is the B6 that you could purchase separately. So yeah, it's really pretty. So I decided to purchase this because last month not last month, sorry, in December, she gave this for free, and that's actually how I ended up coming across doing the Planner Society again. I have two pocket size Planner Society traveler's notebooks already, so I wanted to try the B6 size. So I did, and actually this is the B6 wide. Okay, so now I'm going to unbox my kit. So I got the regular kit and I also got the box sticker kit. So it always comes in these pretty bags, and it matches this. Everything is gorgeous. And then these are the box stickers. So I will open that in a minute. So first, the papers. Okay, so I will show you these items in a minute, but first I want to show you the gorgeous papers. So for this month, you get this pattern, and so you get 2 of each. I really like this wood grain. That's really pretty. It actually looks really good in person. It's hard to really see it. It almost looks like it has like a white distress painting over it. It's very nice. And then the going theme paper kit. So it's nice because if you want to use both of the same, or if you want to use different, you have variety choices. And then this has to be my favorite. This is gorgeous. Those roses and against the wood grain is so cute. And then on the back is a polka dot. And then I'll show this in a minute. And this is, the papers are gorgeous this month. Oops. And then I've seen this design before as well. Very popular. And so you also receive 2 vellum. So this month is it's accented with rose gold. I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you this paper first. It has like a rose gold. And then this vellum is beautiful. So those flowers, and then some rose gold crosses or plus signs. And then also some acetate. Grab a piece of paper. You can see it. Some rose gold polka dot acetate. Gorgeous. And I know a lot of people use these for dashboards. And let's go into the bag. So this month she gave us a bag inside, or a pencil case. And this pencil case is cool. I saw the previews. It comes with the zipper, which is really cool. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. Oh, there we go. Kind of a white or off-white on the inside. And this feels like a felt. Yeah, really cute. It's really cool how it matches, once again, with the B6. So, very nice. It's actually a very beautiful kit. Oh, I'll show you the pen. So you get this gorgeous pen. It has like a rose gold, I forgot what they call this. Just went blank, but yeah, it's rose gold and it matches as well. You get tabs. So I like that she gives 2 sets of these stickers because I use this for my planner kits. So let me zoom in. This is a embroidered patch, which is really pretty. I don't know what I'm going to use this for yet, but that is gorgeous. And I love the background of all her, the backings of all of her packaging. This month we get the pen loop. So I haven't done these yet, so I'm going to look on YouTube because there are some videos on how to do this. And I do have the E6000 for that. And then I'm going to open up this tape. Get this gorgeous tape, washi tape, which is like the same pattern. And then it has the rose gold plus signs. It's gorgeous. Sticky notes. This beautiful bow, and it has an extender for, I guess, ring planners, for the ring. Beautiful, or you can keep it short for your traveler's notebook. Stamps. And this month she added doilies. So there were some things, I guess, that she brought back from previous months. So I've never gotten doilies from her kits, but they are really nice. So you get 1, 2, get 3 of each. Wow. Very nice. They're beautiful. Beautiful doilies. And now for the die cuts. So I'm going to pause the video and put them all out, spread them all out on the table. So this month she actually included some nice size die cuts so you can get an idea of how big they are. This one is 2.5 inches. So that's pretty big, but it's cute. I really like that coffee cup. And this one is actually even a little bigger. This one is about 2 3/4. I really like that. It's beautiful. Chandelier, some flowers, a dress, jacket, or a long coat. So yeah, I really like her die cuts. They're beautiful. I like the kind of vintagey style of it. And then in that same package were some not journaling cards, pocket cards, or these cards I know a lot of people use on their dashboards. But I really like these. I may even frame it. Frame a few. Gorgeous. And it comes with that rose gold. And then, see, you get a lot in kit. You also get stickers. So these are the stickers for the month, and a lot of times the patterns are repeated in the stickers, plus you get more other designs, which are really cute. I really like those coffee cups. So for last month, what I decided to do, I have my calendar in here, so I decided to just add some stickers around. So for every month, I wanted to do like a little sample of the stickers. So for every month, so this was for the December kit. So for next month's February kit, I'll add some of these stickers. So every month, I will add some stickers from the kit. I thought that would be fun to do. And last but not least, my box sticker kit. So this is the first month I'm getting this. I didn't get it last month, so I'm excited about this. The only other time I got it was with my Pocket Traveler's Notebook when I bought it last year in August. So here, those are really cute. I love how they just coordinate with the kit. These are some of my favorite too. I pretty much bought them for these as well. I like the little clipboard. You get the half boxes, the borders, or I guess washi tape strip. Then you get more decorative stickers and then some functional stickers. So for me, my kit, I'm going to use it more for memory keeping. So that's why I'm going to get it every month and just maybe do some journaling and just some reflections. But that's what I'm going to be using my Traveler's Notebook for. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and look out for the unboxing for next month. The only thing I've seen are the papers, so I'm crossing my fingers that I can just hold out and just be surprised for the month of February. So, and then that will come like around March. So I hope y'all have a blessed day. Take care. Bye.